Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss. Yesterday we have discussed about accounting standards, but they are international accounting standards. So we Indian are famous to make anything is in Indian version. So we have Ind AS means Indian Accounting Standards. What is Indian Accounting Standards? So Ind AS are Indianized version of IFRS. Now what is IFRS? This definition can also comes in MCQ in very short questions. IFRS means International Financial Reporting Standards. That means these standards are made on international basis, which is applicable on all the countries in the world. But Indian AS are just applicable in India because they are Indianized version. So they are helpful according to Indian situations. So IFRS are a set of accounting standards on the basis of which financial statements are prepared and presented. IFRS just gives us that standards on the basis of which we have to prepare our financial accounts. Financial accounts means trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet, how they should be prepared and presented. So as we all can see that in accounts each chapter have prescribed format. So this format is prescribed, this format is given by IFRS means International Financial Reporting Standards. So now we will discuss the features of Indian AS. The first feature is next name modified version of international standards. Second is comprehensive, which covers wide area. And the third one, they are principle based. Everything is based on prescribed principles. And the fourth one is emphasis transparency. If everything is based on standards, then it means accounts are transparent. So we can learn these features with the short form MCPT. M means modified version, C means comprehensive, P means principle based, and T means transparency. Similarly, I just give you an example. You can make your own abbreviations to memorize these points in sequence. Next we have objectives. Again they are same. Because they are standards, so they provide uniformity in preparation of accounts. So the accounts should be uniform on every basis. Next, it ensures consistency. Consistency means method of accounting should be same according to year after year. Next we have improved reliability. If everything is based on standard, then it means accounts are reliable and they are trustworthy. Next, they also increase its credibility. And the last one is provide information to users. What are the merits of accounting standards? So they are just a mixture of objectives and features. First, suitable for Indian conditions because they are Indianized version. Next, they provide uniformity of accounts as I told you earlier. Next, clear guidelines are given in accounting standards about preparation of accounts. So, clear guidelines. Next, reliability, which is already discussed. And the last one, difficult to commit fraud. If everything is based on principle and rules, then it's quite difficult to make a fraud in preparation at the time of preparation of accounts. So, these are Indian accounting standards, their features, objectives and merits. After this, only single topic is left, that is the difference between Indian accounting standards and international accounting standards. Thank you.